Welcome to the Quick Performance Engine Lab. If you're doing a C10 project, doing an LS swap, there's always going to be this issue of metric fittings here, standard fittings at the box. But luckily there's a quick solution. What we've done is package together a set of adapter fittings that allow you to go from your metric fitting here to a -6 AN, and we're going to do the same thing for the steering box. Now that is the same whether it's 1979 and earlier, which is SAE inverted flare, or 1980 and later, which is a metric O-ring style. We include both of those in the kit. We also include this banjo so that you're going to be able to clock this to get your hoses just right. Also a straight fitting to go here so that you can lay out your hoses any way you want. The hoses themselves, for the pressure line, we have a steel braided hose with the fittings already crimped on there, ready to go. And for the feed hose, and this is the return hose actually, it's nylon reinforced. Same way for this hose here, which is actually specially made for our LS so that it goes directly from our reservoir to the pump with a nice clean design. Best of all, installation instructions, big pictures, easy to follow along with. It's going to make your project quick and easy. Give us a look. Thanks.